Hello there, PokéMice, no, PokéMouse in the building. Today we are going to unbox the Shiny Star V box. Yes, I have a Shiny Star V box and I'm really excited. This is the box that I wanted since I opened Japanese cards, and yeah, look at it. It's fabulous, of course. How can it not be? They also call it the high-class Shiny Star V box. I wonder if it's only for the high class. I don't know. But let's open it up. I'll get my knife. I don't want to damage the box, so I have to find a spot. Yes, there is a spot. Just a small incision. Yes, perfectly. I hope the sound quality is better in this video, because I remarked that in my last video the sound wasn't that good. So today I'm wearing my AirPod, so I hope it will be better today. I'm unboxing the Shiny Star box of the year. No doubts about that. That's the box of the year, yes. Pokemon has to come with something better next year, but I don't know if there's something better than this box. So, how are your thoughts about the Shiny Star V? Comment down below. I want to know. Alright, there are 10 packs in it, and I'm opening 5. So this is part 1, because otherwise we will have a long video and it's totally not interesting. And you know, I like to show you guys all cards. I appreciate all cards, so I want to unbox calmly. So, alright, let's display the box on top left corner. Here are the packs. We have the Pokeball stand, of course, and let's get started. I'm totally hyped for this box. Yes, I'm not opening the packs with scissors because I'm always so anxious to cut the cards. I don't want that to happen. Here's a code card, by the way. If you want it, I don't know if there is a code, but you guys will know if there is a code. So, alright. This is a reverse hollow Skull Bunny. This is a Stunfisk, Galarian, I think. Sinistea, Mr. Ryan, Galarian, Grablocked, Fishing Rod, and this is a Pokemon I don't know the name of. And sorry, I'm not familiar with these packs. There are 2 hollows in it and 1 V card. I like the Indeedee V card. Did you notice how beautiful it is? Also like the Suicune, or how you pronounce it. I don't know. Just trying my very best. And this is something with I on the end. The Pokemon, this name. Something with I. But I don't know. So, sorry for that. We are going on to the next pack. But do you see how shaky I am? I'm totally thrilled to open these packs up. Hope you enjoy it as well. Here's a code card. At some cards it says it's for the expansion pass or something, so maybe it's just an advertisement, I don't know. Here is the reverse hollow Minccino, a Pinkerton, Aracuda, Drapion, I think, Cramorant. It's a flag. Ooh, first shiny! Wow, look at that. This is a Galarian Corsola. What? A shiny? An amazing rare? No way. In one pack? And a VMAX? Toxtricity VMAX? For real? Wow, look at the beauty of these cards. Why are all Japanese cards so beautiful? Of course, it's going in the Pokeball stand, the VMAX. Although I'm doubting if the amazing rare has to go on it. There are too many beautiful cards. I also like the hollow ones, so it's so difficult. And of course we pulled a shiny. Don't forget that. Look at that. The shiny. Yes, beautiful. I don't have enough space for all these beautiful cards. Wow. We have 2 or 3 packs left, I guess. But let's get into it. This is exciting. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Stay watching because I don't know what's coming. I do. But there's more to come. Beautiful cards. This is a reverse hollow Tutel. An Indeedee with a broom. We have a Clobbopus, Squavett, and a Dreadnought. Oh! Another shiny! Shiny Galarian. And I forgot his name again. We have an Oranguru. Hollow. A hollow Professor's Research, if I'm not mistaken. And we have a W card. Yes. Wow. Look at the beauty. And they're all perfectly centered. If you didn't notice that already. Wow. I like the Oranguru as well. Like the colors. And of course, it's a Galarian Darmanitan, I believe. Of course, I ran out of sleeves. I didn't expect this to happen, so I'm going for the whole pack of sleeves. These are the best sleeves, by the way. I've tried several. I've tried the Ultra Pros as well, but these ones are the best. I made a video about it, so check it out if you want to see. I think I opened them at my birthday special, so check it out, my birthday special. If you'd like to see my sleeves. Yes. Alright, next pack. Wow. I think people don't appreciate the reverse hollows in Shiny Star V enough. They are beautiful. On my Instagram I will post a reel about it with the pattern. It is stunning, really stunning. Here we have a hollow card with a strange Pokemon, and we have an amazing rare. How amazing is this? No way. In the last pack we pulled an amazing rare and also the toxic. I'm totally speechless now. Wow. So we pulled a VMAX twice and also in the same pack twice an amazing rare. Wow. What a beautiful card. I think it is a Reshiram, if I'm not mistaken. The amazing rare one, not this one. I don't know the name of this Pokemon. Alright, we have the last pack of today, because the box on the top, we are going to unbox that one on Monday. Yes, I hope you can wait that long, because the excitement is real. Here is the code card. If there is a code, I don't know. I want to give it to you guys. So we have a reverse hollow Sinistee. We have a Grookey. Oh, we have this cute little Dedenne. We have a Coughing. Don't know that one. There's a Bucket. All these modern Pokemon, I'm not very into it, but I know this one is a Colossal, I think. Wow, we pulled what I think is a secret rare Cramorant shiny thing. Wow. Wow, what a pull. We pulled 3 shinies out of 5 packs. 2 amazing rares. Wow, we have to recap this whole thing. Watch this. We have 1 hollow, 2 hollow, 3 hollow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hollow cards, holographic cards. We have 2 V cards, an NDD and a double. We have 2 amazing rares. Yes, we pulled them. We have this beautiful Cramorant, shiny Cramorant, V, full art, secret rare I think. We have 2 shiny cards. And we have pulled 2 VMAX cards. Full art, I guess. Look at how much pulls we got. It's unbelievable. Stay tuned for the next video on Monday, where we will unbox the last 5 packs of Shiny Star V. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment down below how you feel about it.